Welcome to Like Health. Today, we're exploring the 7 astonishing benefits of chia seeds that experts can't stop talking about. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients that can help regulate blood sugar, aid in fat burning, lower cholesterol, manage blood pressure, and strengthen bones. Let's dive into how chia seeds can transform your health. Benefit number 1. Blood sugar regulation. Chia seeds are high in fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This can lead to more stable blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of spikes and crashes. This benefit is particularly important for individuals managing diabetes or looking to control their energy levels throughout the day. Benefit number 2. Aids in weight loss. Chia seeds are incredibly filling due to their high fiber content. When mixed with water, they expand and create a gel-like substance in your stomach, promoting a feeling of fullness. This can help curb cravings and reduce overall calorie intake, making it easier to achieve weight loss goals. Benefit number 3. Heart health. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and maintain healthy blood pressure. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet can support overall cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 4. Cholesterol management. Regular consumption of chia seeds can help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Their soluble fiber content binds to cholesterol in the digestive system, aiding in its excretion. This helps improve overall cholesterol levels, contributing to better heart health. Benefit number 5. Blood pressure regulation. Chia seeds contain essential minerals like magnesium and potassium, which play a key role in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. These nutrients help relax blood vessels and support proper cardiovascular function, making chia seeds a great addition for those looking to manage their blood pressure naturally. Benefit number 6. Bone health. Chia seeds are packed with essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all crucial for strong bones. Just 2 tablespoons of chia seeds provide more calcium than a glass of milk, making them an excellent choice for supporting bone density and overall skeletal health. Benefit number 7. Digestive health. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, which promotes healthy digestion. The soluble fiber helps regulate bowel movements and supports gut health by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. This can lead to improved overall digestive function and help prevent constipation. Chia seeds can be a nutritious addition to your diet if you're looking to gain weight. Here are some ways to incorporate them. 1. Smoothies. Add chia seeds to smoothies for extra calories and nutrients. They can help thicken the drink. 2. Puddings. Mix chia seeds with milk or yogurt and let them soak overnight to create a filling pudding. Sweeten with honey or maple syrup. 3. Baking. Incorporate chia seeds into baked goods like muffins, bread, or energy bars to boost their caloric content. 4. Oatmeal. Stir chia seeds into oatmeal or porridge for added texture and nutrients. You can also top with fruits and nuts for more calories. 5. Salads. Sprinkle chia seeds on salads for a crunchy texture and extra calories. 6. Energy bites. Combine chia seeds with nut butter, oats, and sweeteners to create energy bites or balls. 7. Soups and stews. Add chia seeds to soups or stews as a thickening agent and to enhance the nutritional profile. Make sure to consume chia seeds in moderation and drink plenty of water, as they absorb liquid and can expand in your stomach. Drinking chia seeds is simple. Here's how to prepare them. 1. Soak the seeds. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with a cup of water or your favorite beverage. Let them soak for about 15 to 30 minutes until they expand and form a gel-like consistency. 2. Mix and flavor. Stir in flavorings like lemon juice, honey, or fruit puree for added taste. 3. Drink. You can drink the mixture as is, or blend it into smoothies for a thicker texture. 4. Chia seed water. Alternatively, you can add soaked chia seeds directly to a glass of water and drink immediately. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Like channel to receive all new updates.